And now to make a Fat Robin half compass. Instructions are found on page 17 of your Fat Robin 60-degree compass book. You will start with a quarter compass unit by following steps 1 to 29 for making a compass block, and a big pie by following steps 1 to 23. Refer to the detailed cutting chart on page 16 and use the measurement for the 0.3 strip for quarter and half compasses to get the strip width for 0.3, which I am showing in light purple for this step. This is an 18-inch half compass, so I have cut the 0.3 strip 3 3/4 inches wide. These strips are cut thinner to cut down on waste. First, you are going to sew the quarter compass unit onto the 0.3 strip as shown. Start stitching at the top of the unit and finish just below the 0.3 seam and backstitch. Once stitched, press 0.3 strip away from the quarter pieced unit. Trim 0.3 strip about a ½ inch away from the stitched seam. Now you will sew the big pie unit onto the 0.3 strip as shown in step 24. Once sewn, you will press big pie away from the 0.3 strip as shown in step 26. Trim 0.3 strip by placing your ruler horizontal line on the seam and trimming the strip close to the top of big pie. Next, you will sew these two units together as shown in step 30. Start stitching at the top of the unit and finish just below the 0.3 seam and backstitch. Once sewn, press as shown in step 31 by pressing the quarter compass unit away from big pie. Next, you will place a pin at the top of kite B. Place kite B down on your unit as shown in step 28, but this time you will place the pin at the top of kite B. This will be your mark for sewing your quarter compass into your project so that this outside point will come out with a perfect point. Flip the half compass around to place a pin marker at the other end. You will once again place a pin marker at the top of kite B, only this time you will have to turn your Fat Robin ruler over and use the reverse side to line it up for placing a pin at the top of kite B. For the next step, it will be easier if the pins are removed, so I use a fabric marker to place small marks in place of the pins. Now you are ready to trim your half compass so it will be ready to sew into your project. The right side of your ruler should be a 1/4 inch from the pin markers at the top of 0.3. Adjust your ruler so that both of these marks line up and make your cut. Now you have a half compass unit ready to sew into your project. Add a half circle center and make sure you use your pin markers as a guide so that your points will come out perfectly.